A recent spike in violent crime has many New Orleanians on edge, but it's not enough to make arrests. Criminals need to be convicted.
A report released today by a local watchdog group questions whether DA Jason Williams is keeping up with the pace of prosecutions set by his predecessor. Investigative reporter Mike Pearlstein has the story.
This administration indicated that they were going to focus on the lions, tigers, and bears. And we're seeing that they're not focusing on the lions, tigers, and bears.
Jason Williams swept into the district attorney's office on a wave of reform, promising second chances to low-level defendants, but serious consequences for violent offenders. However, in a report released today, the nonprofit Metropolitan Crime Commission said Williams is pursuing cases of violence at a much lower rate than his predecessor, Leon Cannizzaro.
The major shift in prosecutions for violent felony offenses can only be explained as a philosophy by this current administration. And that is not what I think is needed to reduce crime.
In its report, the MCC crunched 3 years of statistics and reported that under Williams, acceptance of violent felony arrests for prosecution dropped 21% from last year, while dismissals of those cases have gone up 37%.
That's a remarkable shift. Their policies that are in place right now do not suggest that they're supportive of what the police department is doing.
Now, defense attorneys that I talked to had a range of opinions about the beginning of Jason Williams' tenure, ranging from there has not been enough time to really assess him to he's actually getting it right by putting police cases under greater scrutiny. In an emailed statement, First Assistant District Attorney Bob White took issue with the MCC's analysis and the lack of time the office was given to respond. Addressing the bigger picture, White stated that past policies are what made New Orleans the incarceration capital of the world, something they are trying to reverse. Mike Pearlstein, Eyewitness News.
Now, Bob White's statement went on to say, quote, "This cherry-picked data analysis indicates an antagonism to the progressive changes in the criminal legal system that the people of New Orleans voted for."